Want to find out how to use our inflatable sealed airbags for protective packaging? Then you have come to the right place. Our Fill Air packaging machine is easy and convenient to use. As well as being 30% lighter than other packaging materials, the sealed airbags protect boxed goods from any damages as they void fill gaps within your packaging. To start, take out your Fill Air Rapid Fill packaging machine and simply turn it on via a nearby power supply first before turning on the machine. Once you've packed your box as much as you can, next place the flat sealed airbag into the necessary void areas and then insert the nozzle into the airbag valve. While inflating, hold down just 3 flaps securely, ensuring that the bag fills all available space. Once filled, close the other flap. Then seal the box with packing tape as required. Offering excellent product protection, the Fill Air packaging system is your cost-effective partner for securing important and fragile goods during transit. You can choose from the different airbag sizes depending on your needs. Durable and versatile, the air fill system ensures maximum productivity and can be plugged in anywhere. To find out more about our inflatable protective packaging, visit packagingtobuy.co.uk or click on the link below.